When you've created a new event in Silent Auction Pro, one of the first things you may want to do is create your registration page and add any appropriate tickets to be sold. Let's start with the basics: adding a group logo, event banner, and receipt footnote. A group logo will print on all receipts, bidder paddles, display sheets, and other printed materials. If you are a returning customer, your logo will carry over from your previous event. If you are a new customer or want to update your logo, navigate to Group and choose Edit Group. Quick note: only group admins can access this page. Scroll to the bottom of the page to find your previous logo or to upload a new logo. Your logo should be square, the height and width being equal, and should be in PNG, GIF, or JPEG format. Click the Choose File button to upload your logo or to replace the logo currently in use. Once your upload is complete, click the Update button. Let's move on. If you're using our Pro package, you'll also want to create and upload an event banner. A banner should contain your group or event logo. It can be animated or static. It will reside on all customer-facing web pages. Create your banner with any graphic software you like. Make sure it's at least 800 pixels long and 100 pixels high. When you're ready, navigate to Event and choose Edit Event. Select the Edit Event Info section of the page. Click the Choose File button and select your new banner. Be sure to click the Update button at the bottom of the page to save your changes. Also in the Edit Event Info section of the page, take a moment to add your footnote. The footnote will print on all receipts and other printed material. Typically, we suggest adding your tax ID number here, as well as a "Thank you for your support" type of message. Next, let's create your registration and tickets landing pages. While on the Edit Event page, we can customize the ticket message that displays on both the online ticket page you send to potential guests, as well as the guest ticket page accessed from a user's Silent Auction Pro homepage. Typically, this message includes event details and information. It's also a great place to highlight sponsors and to announce bidding, start and end times. We can also create a unique message that displays only on the bidding sign-in registration page. This page is useful for guests of ticket purchasers, for guests that have already purchased a ticket and simply need to sign in, or for groups that are not selling tickets via Silent Auction Pro at all. The bidding sign-in registration message should be used to encourage guests to register or sign into an account previously created in order to bid in your online auction. Pro tip: it's a good idea to remind guests that a credit card is required for bidding, but that they can view the catalog with zero commitment. Provide a link to the auction catalog to make it easy for potential guests to see your auction and hopefully get excited about registering for your event. On the Edit Event page, select the Edit Registration Options section of the page. Create both your online ticket page message and your online registration page messages. You can type information here, upload sponsor logos, insert movies, or, for a really great-looking page, upload a custom graphic created in a program like Canva. Once your details have been entered or uploaded, click the Update button. One more item on this page: create your registration email. When a guest purchases a ticket or registers for your event, the software will send your customized email, as well as a receipt. Just below your online ticket page and registration page messages, you will see empty fields for your customized email. Enter a subject, as well as much or little info you'd like your registered guest to have. Remember, This same email will go to both ticket purchasers and event and bidding registrants alike, so be sure to make it generic enough to cover all scenarios. One more time, click the Update button at the bottom of the page to save your work. Let's take a peek at our registration pages. Click the different preview buttons to see a preview of your ticket and/or your registration page. Pro tip: leave these preview windows open while you continue to work on your ticket and registration pages. Click the refresh button after you make changes to get an idea of how your page is developing. If you are not selling tickets to your event, you're ready to share your registration page with your guests. Navigate to Auction Admin, Software Links and QR Codes. Copy the bidding sign-up registration page link and start advertising. Okay, if you're still with me, it's because you need to add tickets to your registration page. Let's go. Navigate to Auction Admin and select Manage Tickets. If you want to replicate a ticket from a past event, you can use the Clone feature. This is a great time saver if you repeat a similar event from year to year. However, let's look at creating new tickets. Click the Create New Ticket button. First, give your ticket a name. Enter it in the ticket label field. Select Sales Start and End, Date and Time. Enter the ticket price and declared value if it is different than the ticket price. This is useful for guests to claim the difference on their taxes. Maybe you need a promo code. This is used to hide a ticket from the ticket page until the promo code is entered. This is great for offering reduced price tickets without the general public knowing. Please note, promo codes are for Pro package users only. Moving on to options. Is your ticket to be used for admission? Is it a raffle ticket? Should each ticket ask for names? For example, should all tickets be assigned to the purchaser, or should the purchaser have the ability to assign tickets to other guests? Are your sales limited? Use this to indicate that there are only a certain amount of these tickets available. For example, only 10 seats are available in the first row. Counts as 1 ticket equals 1 seat, or perhaps 1 table ticket equals 8 seats. In the ticket details, enter a description of the ticket here. This field can also hold images and links. Ticket color and position are used to help you design your ticket page. Include choices. Should your ticket have a drop-down with choices specific to that ticket type? If yes, click here. Enable ticket and allow public purchase. These control how and where the tickets are visible. Once your ticket is done, click the Create Ticket button. Any aspect of a ticket can be changed as long as no tickets of this type have been sold. Let's refresh our preview page and see how we did. This looks great. We're now ready to publish the ticket page link on a web page, via social media, through email, and using QR codes on printed flyers. Navigate to Auction Admin, Software Links and QR Codes. Copy the ticket purchase page link and start selling those tickets. Remember, a ticket purchase also signs a guest up for online bidding. 2 birds, 1 stone. You are ready to roll. As always, if you get stuck or have questions, give us a call or send us an email. We are always happy to help.